Kindly note what I was showing first was at page 79. Kindly see that first one. That was the principal relief.
Yes.
Page 79. The first prayer is not give appointment to the petitioner as an individual, as an assistant teacher for the subject of political science in connection with an exam held in 2016. And then, Milad, the Lordship says B, command the respondents to give breakage of all the candidates under the rules of 2016. D, will not rescind the entire panel of 2016, prepare fresh panel, etc. She is concerned with really not with prayer A, and prayer A was actually granted in the past.
She was granted and then appointed.
Then yeah, all that happened, Milord. So we are not concerned with that, whether she gets, she doesn't get. We are, Milord, people who were selected in 2016. We are functioning for the last 7 years. Now, Milord, have a look at the impugned order. Simple. In the order, Milord, your Lordship will find, Milord, at page 2 bottom. This is Milord with which we are concerned, where she got, then it was revoked, etc. Page 2 bottom. Counsel Shamim prays.
1 minute.
Sorry. Page 2 bottom, Milord.
This.
Page 2 bottom, writ petition 5406. Page 2, yes. Council submits for publication of 907 numbers of candidates. She is not concerned. We are functioning for 7 years, for which, Milan, the commission was directed to take instructions. Completely not wrong. Now see on the next page. The commission lawyer, Milan, makes a statement that they will publish or they can publish the list of all 907 against whom manipulation is found. That's the allegation. Manipulation is found between different marks, etc. All the OMR sheets are not those objective type sheets, which was given in 2016. Those original sheets may not have been destroyed by the commission. They don't have them. Then after 3, Patra says that this will be published in the same manner as was published in the earlier cases. This will be done in 2 weeks. By so and so, the judge records all will be published on the website. The West Bengal Secondary Education published a list of candidates, name, father's name, school, recommendation, date of appointment, who got appointment, etc., etc. Now, we are not parties, Milord, in this case. We are out of the 907, we are not parties. A prayer made by somebody to get not an individual appointment, which was granted.
So how are you affected?
Because now what has happened is not in the past, this is not a first time matter. There is a batch of matters which is going on. In the past, this was done, all the names were published, and earlier the learned judge terminated thousands of teachers by a stroke.
Application there.
There's a lot of history to these cases. This is not one, but there are scores of cases. Originally, what had happened was, I don't want to say it, you're on a point.
What we were just discussing was that you may file application there, and we don't
Yes.
don't stay the publication because commission itself says that they will publish.
Commission was forced to say because of the court.
Right, but no further order shall be
Yes,
passed
so-
without hearing you.
Yes, so I'll now tell you, Lord. We came directly from the single bench. Some people went to the division bench.
Yes.
Some people. The division bench passed this order
Why did you come directly here then?
because, Lord, the entire batch, these are transfer cases. We have filed a transfer petition, but the judge is continuing to pass orders where transfer petition will not.
That doesn't mean that you don't follow the.
Lord, if the transfer, sorry, Lord, if the transfer petition is pending in this court, the judge could not have made an order, should not have made an order. Happened is this, Milord. In the, Milord, kindly see, teachers who are appointed 7 years ago, as against an individual who wants her appointment, she gets it, doesn't get it, doesn't bother us. Our names will be, Milord, it's like, Milord, a convict. Father's name, number, how are you concerned? How is she concerned, Milord?
Your names are under scrutiny now.
Maybe under scrutiny, but there has to be a procedure established by law
That's what-
and you publish.
Everybody should follow the procedure of.
This is not the procedure. Now, so, Milord, this is what happened. Some people went in and let us patent appeal. Have a look at this order.
That's what.
Yes.
Some went to the division bench, some
Some came because,
here.
I'll tell you why. Because, Milord, we have filed a transfer of this writ. The Supreme Court has entertained the transfer, notice has been issued, but the learned judge continues to make orders. And Milord, I'm sorry to say, the learned judge, Milord, gave interviews on TV. And this, Milord, was seized by this court. The Chief Justice's bench transferred those cases from
That's
this.
a different thing. Don't try to.
It's not different, it's from the same batch of cases.
Yes, that's a different.
It is from the same batch of cases. It is not different.
So the proper course has been followed in that case also.
But Milord, is it fair for a learned judge to give interviews that I am going to set right the whole thing?
The issue here, it has already been dealt with by the Chief Justice.
No, but the same thing is happening.
Not to worry about it.
Milord, in every case it is happening, therefore we are worried. Why should the judge direct, Milord, our
Ultimately, in
Because
the.
ultimately, Lord,
has
this-
been saying that
this is
the
the order.
application, but
If
you
you don't recognize the complete-
SLPs are hard.
One second, please allow me to complete. If your lordship will find, ultimately, Milord, at the second last page,
Yes.
second last page, middle. The learned judge's record, Milord, matter is in
What happened
essence.
yesterday? What happened yesterday? This was posted on 24th July.
That was adjourned
What today?
Adjourned to.
Today,
today,
because other SSP matters are there.
because Milord, some matters are today, some. Services shall not be disturbed till the SLPs are decided. In view thereof, we dispose of the appeals by restraining the respondent, terminating the service in the name published, etc. And Milord, the matter is, and the direction to publish the names is extended by 1 week, which is the second last paragraph, is extended by 1 week from date. The direction is peremptory. So that 1 week, Milord, expires tomorrow. I am respectfully submitting that we are protected in terms of termination. But Milord, I submit that there cannot be, Milord, a case of publication in somebody else's writ. That person's writ is not concerned with her.
Commission itself has said that there shall be.
Commission, Milord, is forced by the learned judge to say that. Why should the commission say?
Who is for the commission here?
Why should the commission, Milord, I want to say something. Commission may say anything. My rights are affected. Should the judge have made an order about my rights? That your name will be published, whole of state will know, students will know, parents will know. Look at these people. Milord, I am not being convicted of any crime. I am serving for the last 7 years. Tomorrow I will ask, Milord, for names to be published of every government officer. Can that be done in somebody's writ petition, which is an individual writ petition? That's the problem, Milord. There is a stigma attached. That is what is now going on. And under which law is it published, Milord? Governed by rules, Milord. There are, Milord, West Bengal Education Rules and Act. The Act does not say, Milord, you will publish names of Why only 900? There are 50,000 teachers. You start publishing all names. This has serious prejudice to me, and the learned judge could not have done it, my lord, without hearing us.
That,
I respectfully submit, my lord, that's the relief I seek.
Let the names and roll numbers be published.
Lordship may clarify only the names and roll.
Names and roll numbers.
No, but the names and roll numbers would create further confusion. Unless the details are given, without the
My lord, what about OMR sheets?
1 minute.
OMR sheets are all manipulated.
Now, 1 minute, your lordship, remember there is a problem with the OMR sheet.
It's a public employment, huge scam.
Yes, so you know.
They talk about a
Scam is
scam.
disclosed when we move the code. Before that, there's no disclosure.
Okay, leave is given to file the present petition to the petitioners. So far as the impugned order is concerned, let the names of 907 candidates and their roll numbers be published as directed.
But not the OMR sheets. No,
Also
there's a
OMR sheet, otherwise
the
how-
OMR. No, there are two OMR.
Always the OMR
One
sheets
was
are
found in
published.
Ghaziabad and one is with the commission.
There cannot be two OMRs. OMR is one.
Directed by the learned single judge, the High Court. Stop. No, what two OMR sheet, what you are saying?
See the next direction. See the nature of direction. As if, my lord, we are guilty.
Why do you take that you are guilty?
Yeah, that's the
Because
manner.
You know that you have taken the advantage.
That
of
is the
this.
manner.
No?
See, my lord, item 2 and 3. The 3 is, my lord, for 39 candidates. See item 2. OMR sheets of all 5,000 candidates
Yes.
who have been given appointment after getting recommendation.
Yes.
OMR sheets are, my lord, there's a problem of the OMR sheets. Some were found in Ghaziabad, some are with the commission. Which OMR sheets
No,
were?
are they varying?
That was the allegation that they were very.
Because ultimately commission says that the records which are maintained in the office of the commission exposes there has been manipulation. No, not admitted.
No, Lordship, that is not.
There's no such thing, no.
What is,
No such
Not
thing.
the status of the
what
commission.
is the point in, what is the point in publishing this OMR sheet?
That OMR sheets would show whether the genuinely what numbers they have secured.
So why should it be published?
That OMR
It will be heard and decided.
Otherwise,
Item number 2 cannot be allowed.
OMR is the indicator.
There's a confusion as to which OMR sheet.
We can place it before your Lordship, say it cover. Lordship may have.
Every judge should be public.
Unless OMR is
Election
published,
number
not,
II
persons cannot be
and
identified.
III are concerned, comma. Let this part of the order remain stayed for a week.
Yes, Lordship may hear it after.
After 1 week.
Yes.
The names will be published.
Names and roll numbers.
Yes, that will be published.
It's OMR be produced before this court by the commission.
That I, the OMR sheet to be produced before
Yes,
this court
yes.
In
on the
seal
next
cover.
date of
In seal
hearing.
cover. Yes.
Seal cover.
Before your.
That resolves everything.
Sealed cover.
Consistent stand of commission is that yes, there are manipulations. Now, nothing can be said else in.
If there's a manipulation, then you'll have to go.
Yeah, yeah. see.
There's a
And
specific
see,
period commission.
sir, when the Lordships have time.
That's why the
you know,
commission
you
will
have to
terminate
go for-
all these jobs.
Not one case, there are 25 cases. The new ones, not the new items are 51, 51.1 and anything else? So only these two
51
and 51.1.
is given.
51 and 51.1.
Line 3.
The late OMR sheet is produced, then everything.
Although the judgment is against an order of a single judge, comma, and of the High Court at Calcutta, comma, considering the fact that on the same point, there are other matters pending before us.
Yes.
We are entertaining this petition.
Lordship, as an officer of the court, I must bring it to your Lordship's notice. That yesterday, there was one SSC matter which was listed before another honorable bench challenging the original order of 18,522, wherein the honorable court has stayed the entire order.
So if that is state, then it's state. I am not overreaching.
May not have stayed.
No, that's all right. We are not concerned with that. Yeah, I am concerned with this order.
Yes.
Yeah.
The kindly decide.
Bring that order also here.
As soon as possible. Otherwise,
All that to be here.
the impression goes on that the somebody with manipulation can carry on with the public employments. That has to be taken care of for the society.
We have kept the investigation on.
That
We have given our reason why we.
But these people, if they continue, kindly think of the genuine candidates. What are the
Kindly ask him after 7 years, the person who's not selected is
Yes,
filing his petitions, then after 7 years, people will be.
When it is
That's the ultimate-
Anyway, yes,
But disclosure blood cannot give them the advantage.
44 list after 1 week.
Allow me
Lordship,
Transfer, why are you insisting?
Transfer is infrastructure. Technical infrastructure.
Transfer, why are you insisting? Because there are other benches are hearing.
They can file SLP, my lord.
Transfer,
They can, that means dismiss.
therefore, you don't risk. Is it necessary? We don't want to dismiss. We don't want to dismiss the transfer petition.
Yes,
but
that's not on the name will come.
Your lord.
You can take instruction when.
Lordship in fact said that it is better to file an
SLP
SLP. Your
for
lordship
particular
told them, it is better to
Because
file.
of
These are before.
going to another high court would be more problem. Mr. Bhattacharya for you both.
That man will come with the instruction in the next date.
At least daily connectivity is better. Yes.
Keep the obligation.
51, 44 after 2 weeks. After 2. 45 is adjourned as per letter. It's 6.
Lord, I am seeking a short adjournment on my personal difficulty. I am not feeling well.
Accommodation is asked for on behalf
Lords,
of.
I appear for petitioner in serial